Dear students, this is a video that explains grammar point for Unit 12, and this grammar point is called imperatives. Imperatives, unlike other sentences in English, do not have a subject, which means it doesn't say who does the action. That's why they're considered imperatives. Imperatives, you have two columns in the chart. First column are positive statements: get some rest, drink lots of juice, take one pill every evening. Descansa, toma bastante jugo y toma una pastilla cada tarde. On the other side, you can see negative statements. Don't stay up late, don't drink soda, don't work too hard. These negative statements mean no te quedes muy tarde, no tomes soda, no trabajes demasiado duro. And that's how we make imperative statements. So here in the next exercise, what you have is you have some words and you have to think about the meaning and make some imperatives that can be used as an advice. Be very careful, because if you have a not, you cannot put not go. You have to put don't go. When you finish with this part, I want you to go to Grammar Plus on page 143. And as you can see in this part, what I want you to do is I want you to do exercise number 2 on page 143. You have some grammar advice here that tells you to use the base form of the verb in affirmative imperatives, like go home and rest, and use don't plus the base form of the verb in negative imperatives. The form doesn't change. So it goes, don't go to work today, Miss Lake. So be very careful, because, for example, if Ming-Ho says, I have a toothache, it makes no sense to tell her, eat any cold food. No tiene sentido decirle que coma comida fría. It makes more sense to say, don't eat any cold food. So be very careful when you work on this exercise. I wish you luck. Thank you very much for your attention.